I can read your mind.
Maminaw sa tagkanta guys. Kaila pa mo ani niya guys. Astig kay tingog. Grabe.
I can read your mind and I know your story. I see what you're going through. Yeah, it's an uphill climb and I'm feeling sorry, but I know it will come to you. Yeah, when you want it the most, there's no easy way out. When you're ready to go and your heart's left in doubt, don't give up on your faith. Love comes to those who believe in, and that's the way it is. I can feel that something's changing, something that I should be saying, something lying in between you and I. If I could only tell you that things are running through my head. If I could only tell you that gusto ko lang malaman mo na di dapat mag-alala. Dito lang ako hanggat kailangan mo. Pagod din ako, hindi mo lang alam na tulad sa salita baka magkaramdam ka. Pag-ayos ka na hindi na ako masasaktan. Pag-ayos ka na hindi na ako gusto malaman mo. Yeah, gusto ko lang malaman mo na di dapat mag-alala. Dito lang ako hanggat kailangan mo. Ha